Yes. Hello, hello. Welcome to our booth here at IEC 2023. My name is Alexander Haltberg, and I am a co-founder of Visual React. Visual React is a digital signage platform that requires no coding or programming to get started. You know, it wasn't pretty clear for us that we were going to develop this product. We used a lot of second and third party applications to achieve, interactive digital signage solutions in store. It's used very much in supermarkets, experience centers, museums and other places. But what we realized before we developed our own product was it was very hard for the end user to actually change their content, to update it, so we made a code-free platform that anyone can sign into and change and upgrade their content. And also we develop lots of features that the end user can update the screens directly on the touchscreen. So they don't actually need to log into a computer to change their content. So you can do touch solutions with this product. You can also use sensor technology to achieve content. So in this example, we have a product called Slide and Explore, where you just drag a sensor down a timeline to activate content. And all of this is done in our cloud, and you push it out without being able to program. It doesn't have to be sensors like this. It could also be giant triggers you have on the floor that you step on and activate a screen that is about 200 meters away. Everything can be set up and do through the web browser very easily. So. Is that good? Yeah, for more information about this, please visit us at visualreact.com. You can book a free demo, and you can also check out some of the customer success stories we have over there. So, very good.